Hi Star Seeds, welcome back. So I think most people would agree with me when I say that the best part of Christmas is Christmas morning and that delicious breakfast that you're gonna make for your family or that somebody will make for you. Lucky duck. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make these amazing pancakes that you can make Christmas morning. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because you know that we are here freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. So let's get in the kitchen. So the first thing we are going to do is combine all the liquids, starting with 2 cups of vegan milk of your choice. And to that, we're gonna be adding 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. And to this, we're gonna be adding in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So all we're gonna do is just give it a stir. And then we're gonna set this aside so we can deal with our dry ingredients. So to a clean bowl, we're gonna be adding in 2 cups of organic, unbleached all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, and lastly, a pinch of salt. So all we're gonna do now is take a whisk and whisk all the ingredients up, making sure everything is combined. Won't take long, just a few seconds. And lastly, we're going to take our milk mixture and place it into the flour. Oh yes. So now all we're going to do is gently whisk the ingredients together. And the key word is gently because you don't want to overmix your batter. You want beautiful fluffy pancakes, not the tough kind. So at this point, you don't want to overmix your batter because we have one more step left, which is adding in your flavorings for your pancakes, right? Which means that you're gonna be mixing it a little bit more. So don't overmix. In terms of flavorings, I absolutely love the combination of blueberries and cacao nibs. And cacao nibs is a really good alternative to chocolate chips, right? Because chocolate chips have sugar in them, but cacao nibs are actually 100% pure cacao. And when you fry the pancake, the cacao nibs sort of melt and they don't melt entirely. There's still a little bit of that crunch, but it's just so delicious. So I encourage you to go out and get some cacao nibs. And I love pairing that up with blueberries. So I've got some frozen blueberries that I've thawed out. Of course, you can use fresh. I've also tried this recipe with raspberries. You can just get creative and add in whatever you like. So I am just going to sprinkle in these cacao nibs, and I'm not measuring this. So basically you can put in as much chocolate as you like. And now for my favorite part, organic blueberries. Of course you can use fresh, but these are frozen. I've just thawed them out a little bit, but look how gorgeous those are. So it's time to give it a gentle mix. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. Absolutely beautiful. My pancakes will be purple. Now that our pancake mix is ready, we're gonna set this aside and we are going to heat our pan up and butter it. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm using a ladle and I am adding on to a heated pan my pancake. And we have to wait until the way that we're gonna know that it's cooked is, and that it's ready to be flipped, is if you see bubbles forming on the surface of the pancake. So once you see that, you can try and flip it. So now that we can see some bubbles on the surface of the pancake, I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Hopefully I don't... Hey! I think I left this, the one side cooking a little too long because I was afraid that it would just fall apart. But look how amazing it looks. And the blueberries are such an amazing festive touch to Christmas morning breakfast. Oh, it smells so good in here. So our pancake is ready and ready to be plated. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest of these and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, I'm going in.
Flip them.
Oh yeah.
Flip them fast. Go, go, go. Those are good pancakes.
Boom, baby, boom. Extra blueberry love. Oh yeah. Let's flip this one last time. Oh yes. About this one? Boom! So these blueberry chocolate pancakes are so delicious and fluffy. And this recipe makes about 9 pancakes. So I think the best thing about this recipe is that you can really make it your own. If you like raspberries, you can absolutely use raspberries in this, or just any kind of topping that you might desire. Everyone's different. I myself am in love with blueberries and chocolate. So for the final step, I am just going to, without any guilt, drizzle on this raw agave nectar. Now, there are healthier options out there, but this is what I feel like having this morning. And if you wanted to, obviously you could use maple syrup. So I am inviting Greg to try these blueberry chocolate pancakes for you, since he is the connoisseur of...
I am the king of pancakes. Okay? You make them the best, and I eat them the best.
Yes.
So,
all right.
Remove this. Bring the pancakes closer.
Uh-huh.
How am I supposed to do
So
this?
you guys can dress your pancakes any way you want. You can add peanut butter. Eating that's a lot of blueberries. See, he just bit inside the pancake, and there's like a burst of
So fluffy.
blueberries. Yeah. Are you tasting the bloobs?
Yeah. I can really taste the blues.
Is it sweet enough?
Plenty is sweet enough.
Oh my god, it looks really tender. It looks really tender on the inside.
So good.
Almost like a blueberry muffin.
Okay, this is annoying me. I'm just gonna pick it up.
I think you. What are you doing? Oh my god. What are you doing?
No, now that's how you eat a pancake. It's really good.
What can I tell you guys? He loves his pancakes.
It's really good.
So like I was saying, you can add peanut butter to your pancakes, you can add bananas, you can sprinkle it, dust it with a little bit of icing sugar if you want that festive Christmas feel.
Can I have one more?
But yeah,
You want to try it?
not like that. Wait. Oh my gosh.
Wait, didn't you say you're not gonna have any?
Oh my god. It's good.
The blueberries are amazing, actually.
You know what I want to do? I want to show them the inside of the pancake, like bitten.
We can do that. A little close up.
That's enough for you.
Okay. I have one thing to say.
Yes,
This one,
it's undercooked.
no, I don't know if it's that,
It looks like it from the
but
bottom.
it has too many blueberries.
Oh, yeah, I went a little blueberry crazy, and that's good.
It's really good though.
So I just wanted to show you the inside of the pancakes and how fluffy they are and how packed they are with all those blueberries. Look at this. Look at that. Oh yeah. So fluffy, so gorgeous. Okay, Starseeds, so I hope you like this recipe. The only thing that I would say, like if I were to give my recipe constructive criticism, is that maybe if you're gonna go less heavy on the syrup, that you would need to put a little bit more sugar inside the pancake, just to give it a little bit more sweetness, because actually the pancake itself wasn't that sweet. So anyway, they're still really delicious and beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy these, especially on Christmas morning, but obviously any time of the year will do. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time we upload a video. Is there anything else I wanted to say? No. Okay. See you guys soon. Mwah.